how to relax them and bring them in correct path. How to deal with the teenager. This is a big issue today. Because today teenager, they think they are capable of doing everything. They don't need any support. And why they think like this? Because of the parents. Before they go to teenage, if you are able to handle them properly, guide them properly, this problem will not come. But what is happening? We are giving all the comfort to the kids. As we are giving all the comfort, they are not putting their own effort. And as they are getting everything easily, their mindset is not ready to accept the failure. They don't want to listen no. They want to listen only yes. So if they have not grown up to teenage, you can control them and don't give everything immediately. Take little time. If something they ask today and you bring it immediately, don't do that. So if you delay, their patience will increase and they will be able to handle things in their life in a better way. But if they have already grown up at the teenage, now try to bring them, convince them for entering yoga and meditation. Because if they enter in yoga and meditation, they will be able to relax their mind, they will be able to cool down themselves, they will not be that fast as they are now. Fast in sense, everything immediate. They will be able to cooperate with others and try to bring them in a group. Send them in a group. Don't hold them in a house. Look at the group. Don't send in any group, but some group. And try keep on your eye where they are going. Because if they go in a bad group, that will be another problem. So keep them in a good group and watch them. So as they start adjusting in a group, they will learn how to adjust little and slowly things will become better. In details, I can't go on this thing. You can contact separately if you have some issue, because teenager issues are different for different person, and based on the issues, based on the problem, we can tell the solution, what is good for that, what you can do for them, and how you can change them. I have seen many people changing, many boys and girls, they have changed completely. So that is possible. It's not that not possible. Only little effort you have to take. If you are ready for that, I'll explain you how to do it. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you for watching us. Do subscribe for more such videos. Also, do not forget to ping us to join Spiritual Journey with Pran Shakti family.